In this video, I will show you how to edit and customize the blog post page layout in WordPress. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, go to Appearance and click on Customize. Now look for a section called Blog, Blog Layout, Posts, or Archive Settings, depending on your theme. Inside this section, you will find different layout options, such as Grid View, List View, or Classic Layout. You can choose the style that best fits your website design. You may also see options to control how many posts are shown per page, whether to show or hide the featured image, title, excerpt, date, or author. Adjust these settings according to your preference to customize the appearance of your blog page. Once you are satisfied with the changes, click Publish to save everything. Now visit your website and open the blog page. You will see your new layout applied successfully. That's it. This is how you edit and customize the blog post page in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.